vlog, and we're going to ride pit bikes in the rain. There's a rainbow.
You ever see a gnarly wheelie?
It's not that good.
It's not that good. Oh. That's fun. It's the first time I ever actually rode a wheelie.
You ready to get stuck?
Yeah, probably gonna.
It's been raining for about 2 hours. No. Yeah, 2 hours. And it's a little wet. We're back filming in this clip of the video. It's my first time, and yeah, make sure to enjoy the rest of the video. It's pouring down rain. Have an expensive camera. Don't know what's gonna happen.
And then for your video?
Yeah.
Alright.
I don't know how this is gonna work. He'll probably get stuck.
Probably so.
Let me go first.
This is not okay. Oh God.
It's so muddy. There's part of it. It's not. The creek's small, but it sure is deep. Off camber. Ethan, it's so slick right here. Slick. Bee Falls Creek. Hug it.
Come on, get on my foot.
Today's gonna be a short video.
What are you making me do?
It's gonna be a short video. The camera's almost dead.
This is stupid.
You got this, boys. You got this. It's not that bad. Just for
No, it's not that bad.
do it real quick. Your peg's gonna hit it.
Front brakes.
Alright, he's a sissy. I'm gonna show you this. So he has to go through the creek. Oh gosh, that's deep. Or he can go up this or he can go up this wall. I don't know how I'm gonna video this. Oh, I know where to go. It's so muddy. I do not want to drop this camera. My mom will kill me. So you go. You good, Ethan? Well, then you would drift this way, and then the rut through the water through here is about a foot.
Should I go up that?
I don't know.
Me neither.
Pick your poison. Will he make it?
I am gonna die. Go that way. Get ready to catch me over here.
Hang on.
No, actually, let me go this way.
Alright, he's going to the creek. Playing a safe bet. Will he survive?
Right here, so.
What?
I'm gonna wheelie up right here, so.
Wheelie? Woo!
Holy.
Pick it up, hurry! Ethan!
Come on!
Ethan! Why would you do that? Ethan.
Help me.
Okay. So we're good. Dirt bike laid over. We took a commercial break. And the dirt bike's back up. Now you're gonna go this way.
Come on.
Well, let's start.
Priming the engine. Terrible spot.
The regret of going that way.
I'm gonna pass out. This is hot. Ow!
Are you good there, Junior?
No! Does it look like it?
Ethan, come on, Junior.
Sit up.
You gotta turn on the choke.
Do you think I can get to my choke?
Okay.
Not even a chance.
Oh, there we go. fires like that?
Kind of.
Will he make it? No. Ronnie Mac. I'm gonna watch out of the way. Try to wheelie up on that.
That's a good idea. I'll end up in that thorn.
It would be good content.
Can you do it?
No.
I get paid $20.
No, you don't. He does not get paid. Talk about the roost.
That's up the butt.
Do it for the boys. That was for the boys, wasn't it?
There.
Go ahead. Push. Push with your legs. The defeat on this face. Oh my God, the ruse though.
This is stupid.
Oh, wheelie. Go, ready?
No, it's
Oh God.
might have been a butt cheek.
Come on, JR.
No!
Oh, he's getting it. He's getting it. This is bad. Woohoo!
You gonna see how wet I am?
This is bad. Show me butt.
No, you gonna see? Look at my leg. Come here, look at my leg. This leg right here.
Hang on.
Come on.
Now that one is for the boys right there,
I get
boys.
$10.
No, you don't.
I'll go across another creek. I'm already muddy.
Go this way.
That way?
Yeah, this through here.
Are you drunk?
It's easier. No, it's not.
Stop! Oh, crap!
He made it.
Title of the video, I killed my brother!
I like it. More views. Oh God, hang on. I don't.
Crap to do.
This one has rocks in it though, so it should be easier.
Yeah, good.
Then he has a branch in his face. Minor difficulties.
Minor? What are you talking about, minor?
He made it.
Oh God, taking out speed.
Oh, roost. That was easy. What do you say?
I'm tired. I want to go home. Oh God! Make sure to subscribe to a boy and his grandpa, Bridgewater, gonna die. Oh my God!
Oh my God, he just roosted the crap out of me. Ethan, you suck. Ethan, you suck. Dude, he just roosted the crap out of me.
Do I look like Logan?
No, you look, I don't know. Dude, she pipe is smoking. Woohoo!
We're alive! I better get 10 likes on my new video. Where should I go now?
Alright, that will be the end of today's video.
Where should I go?
Where should he go, guys? Make sure to go look at his video. A boy, no, what is it?
Grandpa Bridgewater!
A boy and his grandpa Bridgewater. And that will be it. Make sure to like and subscribe, turn on the post notifications.
Do in the comments what I should do next.
And make sure to do on the comments what I should video next. And that'll be it. Make sure to live life laughing. Oh, and that's not it. I lied. Make sure to go like my other video because I've already filmed the video. Hang on. I've already filmed a video of me driving my quad, but I need 10 likes. I keep my word straight. And make sure to stay tuned to this channel. I'll be posting every other day. And to see more riding videos, pit bike videos,
Go to my channel.
and about a whole bunch of other stuff. And go to his channel to see farming. You poor bottom. Make sure to go to his videos to watch farming content and cows and stuff. And yeah, that's it. Make sure to live life laughing.